demand justice for Kyrgyzstan and your assistance in holding Tajik regime who actually ratified the Rome Statute of the ICC for the crimes against aggression against Kyrgyzstan, for the de facto occupation of its territory, bombardment of the civilians using heavy weaponry, systematic destruction of civilian infrastructure. Please help us.